Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x. So we have that x to the power of x to the power of x or to the power of 4 is equal to 4. Now, the first thing we do here is to make a simple substitution. So we say, let y be equal to x raised to the power of 4. Now, this is a very important substitution that will help us to simplify our calculation. So, at this point, this can be expressed as y equal to x raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2. Now, the next step here is to take the root of both sides. So, by taking the root of both sides, we have that this is x squared all raised to the power of 2 root of equal to root of y, and this will be plus or minus root of y. Plus, we have that x squared, because square will cancel out root, so x squared is equal to plus or minus the root of y. So at this point, we have that x squared is equal to plus root of y, or x squared is equal to minus root of y. Now, at this point, let us take the root of both sides again. So therefore, we have that x squared root is equal to root of y plus or minus, or we have x squared root of equal to plus or minus root of negative root of y. Now, at this point, we can have that square will cancel out the root, so x is equal to, now this becomes root of y all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, and x is equal to y raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So this is written as y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4, plus x is equal to plus or minus 4th root of y. Let's call here equation 1. Now at this point also, we know that square will cancel out root, so x is equal to plus or minus, we have root of minus 1 times root of y. And this can further be expressed as plus or minus root of minus 1 times root of y. But I is equal to root of minus 1. So therefore, x is equal to I multiply root of y all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, and x is equal to I multiply by y raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So we have it that x is equal to I multiplied by y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4. And this can further be simplified as x is equal to I multiplied by 4th root of y. Let's call here equation 2. So we have obtained equation 1 and we have obtained equation 2. So don't forget to place your plus or minus here. So at this point, 4 solutions have been obtained thus far. First, we have that x equal to plus or minus 4th root of y. So this can be written as x equal to 4th root of y. Let's call here equation A, and x equal to minus 4th root of y. So let's call here equation B. Also, from equation 2, we have that x is equal to plus or minus I multiplied by 4th root of y. So at this point, we have that x is equal to I multiplied by 4th root of y. Let's call here equation C. And again, we have x equal to minus I 4th root of y. Let's call here equation D. So at this point, we have obtained 4 solutions. But recall that we said let x to the power of 4 be equal to y. So at this point, to obtain the value of x, we take exponent of 1 over 4 on both sides. So this becomes x raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1 divided by 4 equal to y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4. So at this point, 4 we cancel out 4. So we have that x is equal to y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4. So we know that x, the power of x, the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 4. So anywhere we see x here, we will substitute y to the power of 1 divided by 4. So therefore, the equation becomes y to the power of 1 divided by 4 all raised to the power of y, 1 divided by 4, all raised to the power of y, 1 divided by 4, all raised to the power of 4, equal to 4. So at this point, 4 will cancel out 4. So we have it that y to the power of 1 divided by 4, all raised to the power of y, raised to the power of 1 divided by 4, all raised to the power of y, equal to 4. So we have it now that y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4, all raised to the power of y. So 1 times y is y, so this becomes y raised to the power of 4, equal to 4. Now at this point, the next step is to take exponent of 4 on both sides. So we have it that y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4, all raised to the power of y raised to the power of y divided by 4, all raised to the power of 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. So at this point, this becomes y raised to the power of 1 divided by 4 times 4, all raised to the power of y raised to the power of y divided by 4 equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. So here, 4 we cancel out 4. So we have it that y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y divided by 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. Now, but recall that 4 raised to the power of 1 is equal to 4. So therefore, this becomes y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y divided by 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1. Now, by comparison, we find out that y divided by 4 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. But recall that x to the power of 4 is equal to y. So we know that x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to y. But y is equal to 4. So we have that x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Now at this point, we can take root of both sides. So this becomes root of x squared raised to the power of 2 equal to plus or minus root of 4. So Square will cancel out root, so we have that x squared is equal to plus or minus root of 4. And therefore, x squared will be equal to plus or minus 2. So therefore, x squared is equal to plus 2, or x squared is equal to minus 2. Now, at this point, we will obtain an imaginary number here. So we are working with real numbers. So at this point, we can take the root of both sides again. So we have that root of x squared is equal to plus or minus root of 2. Thus, square will cancel out root, so we have x is equal to plus or minus root of 2. Also, we have that x is equal to root of 2, or x is equal to minus root of 2. So therefore, the value of x is equal to root of 2, or negative root of 2. But then, let's verify our answer. So we had that x to the power of x to the power of x, the power of 4 is equal to 4. Now recall that x is given as root of 2. So we have that this is root of 2 to the power of root of 2, power of root of 2, power of 4 is equal to 4. Now, this can be written as root of 2 the power of root of 2, the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times 4. So if 2 come here, we have 1. If 2 come here, we have 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So therefore, this becomes root of 2 raised to the power of root of 2 raised to the power of 4. And we want to verify if this is equal to 4. Again, we have that root of 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, all multiplied by the index of 4. So 2 come here, we have 1. 2 come here, we have 2. So therefore, we have that root of 2 is equal to 4. We are checking if this is equal to 4. And then lastly, we have that 2 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, all raised to the power of 4 equal to 4. So at this point, 2 cancel itself, we have 1. 4 divided 2, we have 2. And we have that this is 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 4. So therefore, 4 is equal to 4. We have been able to show that the value of x is equal to root of 2. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you know you found the video helpful, encourage us by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. And for more questions like this, check out our playlist on International Math Challenge. I will see you in my next video. Bye.